Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of lylestudio.com. So this is basically an online shopping platform that provides you with a variety of clothing, both the tops and bottoms for both men and women. So now let's dive in and find out if it's actually a legit platform or a website to buy from. As you can see, once I tried searching their official store, I got to know their store doesn't longer exist. So this is a major red flag that alone gives a message that it is a pretty much a scam website. And once I tried searching for the reviews of this website on the Trustpilot, I got to know it has a very worst rating of 1.5 out of 5 stars, and it is actually based on 50 plus reviews. As you can see, a lot of people are talking that it is a scam and total fake items. The studio, you should avoid the studio website at all because they had concerns about the placing the order, and the digital tracking has been empty from the day one. So based on these reviews, I would say like this platform is pretty much a scam and you should avoid purchasing items, because once I tried searching for the reviews, every single website is reviewing them as a fraudulent website. So you should avoid purchasing items from this site. I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.